Will you, Trent, keep Chrissy as your bound soulmate? To laugh with, go on adventures with, support through life's tough moments, be proud of them and grow old with them, and find new reasons to love each and every day.
In this life and the next, I do.
Will you, Chrissy, keep Trent as your bound soulmate? To laugh with, go on adventures with, support through life's tough moments, be proud of them, grow old with them, and find new reasons to love every day.
Forever infinity, I do.
So, I'm not ashamed to admit it, me and Chrissy.
We met on Tinder, actually, but we were Facebook friends before we met on Tinder, which I was like, hey, I think I know who you are.
We met up at a bar called Little Woody's, somewhere in Phoenix, little dive bar, and met up for some drinks. We hung out, and ever since then, we've been attached at the hip.
And then I messaged him after Tinder to be like, oh, hey, here I am.
When me and Chrissy met, I was not really looking for a relationship. Me and her definitely clicked. After I found out how much she truly cared for me and how into me she was, that's when I started really feeling the fire. It was that way from the beginning, but I didn't realize it at first. I thought maybe she was just being really polite and complimenting me a lot. Once I could tell how much she actually was into me and cared about me, that's when I felt that connection, like a loyalty connection. It went from being a physical attraction to a partnership.
And the first night we talked, we met and we hit it off. And I'm not gonna just say, oh, I find you attractive, you're the one for me. I had to get into who he was and what he was into, and we had a lot of things in common. Music is a love language to me. His vibe, and he was, just really charming, and even his outfit, down to the gold teeth and everything. I was in awe when I realized that he was such a talented artist. And
I love the fact of how caring she is, and she's caring and loving to a fault. She's like her mother. Kara is such a loving person and such a caring person that she taught Chrissy to be that way, and just the way I could tell how much she cares about people and genuinely cares about how people feel, and just her compassion for people is the thing I love the most about her. I love the fact that she's so attentive. She tells me how much she loves me and tells me the things she loves about me.
He's very easy to talk to, and that's very important to me because, meeting somebody for the first time is always kind of hectic and skeptical, and you just don't know how it's going to go. You don't know who this person really truly is, especially for the first time we talked and we met the same night, but obviously there was something there was attractiveness. It just happened, and it not bonded. Serendipity, yeah, I guess that's a good one, Susie.
I don't want to sound so superficial, but she's so into her looks and her beauty. I love how much she cares about herself and her skin and my skin. She always wants me moisturizing and stuff. She's just, beautiful and caring. The way that she empowers me, gives me something to live for and something to work hard for.
I think that he is the most genuine person I've ever met in my life. He really loves people, and he really wants to teach people and learn things, and he has a charm about him. Honestly, I've never met a man like him that I have respected so much.
Chrissy wants to go to school, and I want to start a business. I don't know which one comes first, but I just want to build more. The things I'm looking forward to the most is I found so much out of life and love from her that I never knew was a thing, but I'm just more excited to find out these unexpected things that I never knew of when it's in regards to love or life or family that she has taught me so far.
You know what? I think we've talked so much about development. We're on the same page. We know what each other's goals are, and we're going for it. We know what we need to do. And I've really pushed him to strive too, because I've always told him, you're a boss. You deserve to be a boss. We're both bosses. We're meant to have our own shit going on, and we're definitely gonna have that in the end. Everything that I've ever wanted is now here with me, now as we speak, and I couldn't be more happier.
So I don't know what to expect, but I can't wait to see the new things that I learn. thanks to everybody who came. Everybody keeps asking me if I'm nervous or if I'm scared, but I feel the strongest and most empowered and confident I ever have because of you guys and all the support and people who are here to show me, you know, my family and the people that I love. And I just want to say that I love you, Chrissy. I never thought I would get married, and you showed me that I do want to get married, and you taught me how to love again, and thank you for that.